Okay, here's a small parcel of rubs and offcuts of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, mixed fields. It's from an old cutter, rules and millimetres. It's been a stone that's broken, sawn in half there for some reason. It looks like he's re-sawn it. There's still two nice stones there, or just it's got a crack in the middle there. Piece of matrix type material, nice and bright. Needs to be used, cut, finished off with a Dremel. Bit of potch and colour. Electric blues. Small stone. It's not much. Of course, some of these need to be recut, reshaped. Not everyone's a cutter though. So, been picked, scooped out of the bucket, so they vary a fair bit. I hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.